Welcome to Gengimed Dental Clinic, where we run all dental procedures such as examination and consultation, root canal treatment, scaling and polishing, braces, teeth whitening, extraction, restoration, that is filling, teeth replacement. With this, we have the dentures, the bridges, and implants. We also have Gengimed products such as the Gengimed whitening mouthwash, anti-black, sensitive mouthwash, and also the sensitive toothpaste. Locate our branches nationwide at Tamale, Tishigu, opposite the post office. Also at Kumasi, Abreport Junction. Techiman Magazine off the Market Road. You can also locate us at Koforidua Central Market, adjacent the Central Police Station. Takrady, Tadisco Junction. Accra, our two branches are located at Atomic Dam, Kwabenya Runabout, and also at Nungwa, behind the Nungwa main radio station. You can call us on 059 87 31 823. The numbers again, 059 87 31 823. Gengimed Dental Clinic. It is time to smile again.